Hi friends. In this video, you will see my review of Hotel Easy Planet in North Pattaya. This hotel was earlier known as Red Planet, and for some reason, its name has changed to Easy Planet. I stayed at this property after the name change, and this is what I have to report. Hotel Easy Planet is one of the budget hotels in North Pattaya. Located on the second road, it is a mere 700 meters away from Terminal 21, and the beach road is even closer than that. You can walk to either Terminal 21 or the beach road in under 10 minutes. As you can see, the hotel's location is its biggest advantage. And price-wise, depending on the season, you will pay between 600 and 900 baht for a room here. Now, before you decide if that price is okay, you need to see what you will get. There is no in-house dining, no restaurant, and no room service. They don't provide drinking water bottles or tea-coffee supplies. There is not even an electric kettle in the room. All you get for the price is a double or twin bedroom, an air conditioner, and an attached bathroom. The room where I stayed had twin beds, which were comfortable. There was a TV, a full-size dress mirror, a hair dryer, a hanger stand in the corner, and a digital locker. There was a tiny folding table, which I could use for keeping lightweight stuff. Next to the folding table was a thigh-type power socket, and next to the bed was an international power socket. That took care of charging my gadgets. The air conditioner worked well, and its temperature could be adjusted. The window next to the bed had a view of some greenery outside. The bathroom was compact but clean, and hot water was available 24 hours. But the room was really small, and I had to keep and open my bags on the floor. That can be a hassle if you are carrying more than one big-sized bag. Down in the lobby, the front office works 24 hours. There are a couple of drink vending machines and a hot and cold water dispenser. The parking outside is free for guests, but sometimes it is full. Value-wise, this property will feel alright if the price is low. I will be comfortable paying 600 baht for this hotel, but when they charge 800 or 900 baht during high season, it will feel a little too expensive. If you want a cheap hotel in North Pattaya close to Terminal 21 and the beach road, Easy Planet is fine, particularly if you are paying 600 baht or less for a room. Just remember that there is no electric kettle in the room. If you can live with that, Easy Planet in North Pattaya may not be a bad choice. For any other information about the hotel, or to share your experience, please write a comment below. I will be happy to respond. And consider giving a thumbs up if you liked the video. You may also want to subscribe to my channel for similar videos in the future. Thank you for watching.